Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please make sure you press the subscribe button down below and also the bell notification so you guys are notified every time that I post a new video. Today's video is going to be a quick little styling video from the company Sunber Hair. I have collaborated with this company previously, and when I tell you guys, I really do love their hair. Like, as you guys can see by the lace and like the silkiness of this hair, it's really nice texture. Now the unit that I have in right now is a 18-inch Malaysian 9A Remy, and it's a lace front wig. They give you about 6 inch of parting space, and on the sides it's about 2 to 3 inches, so that's fairly good. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I cut my hair into a bang. Now, disclaimer, you guys, I'm not a professional hairstylist, so please don't even comment how I'm doing wrong, because I know I did hella mistakes throughout the video, but just watch till the end. You guys are gonna see it's gonna look wearable. Okay, so as you guys can see right now, I'm showing you guys that I did use a hot comb. You can use something else, like, because as you can see I already had a part, so I'm trying to take out the part out. So I'm gonna use my hot comb. This hot comb, when I tell you guys, is a must. You guys need a hot comb in your life. If you are a girl and you do wigs and stuff like that, or you do your hair a lot, you need a hot comb. And this hot comb is pretty good. It gets fairly hot over time, but as you guys can see right now, I'm just trying to put all the hair in the front so I'll be able to structure out my bob. Now, what I'm going to be doing is, you guys can see I'm going in a triangle. I didn't go exactly like straight down, mainly because I wanted it to go at an angle and not just straight down. Now, I am going to adjust it because this was pretty big and I didn't want the bangs to be that wide. So you guys are going to see me go back in to make it a little bit smaller. Like I said, you guys, I am not a hairstylist, so there's probably a correct way to do this, but honestly it still turned out good, so continue watching. Now, after going around the round of my hair with the hot comb again, I'm gonna be taking some clips. As you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys soon. I'm gonna take some clips and just clip the sides because I don't want the hair to, blend in together. So I'm gonna clip away the sides and everything so it could be easier for me to basically manage just the bangs. All right, so this next little clip I'm going to be showing is the key to making your bang look, I'm not sure how to say it, but basically not straight across, but it's going to have like a little arch to it. So you see how I'm going to take it and I'm going to flip it a little bit. Just basically going to take it and flip it with my fingers. Now another key is to not cut the hair like the length that you want it. I would say do it a little bit longer, because honestly you could take some hair out, but you can't, like, put back length. So I would suggest you do the hair a little bit long. Like, even I did it a little bit long, and honestly, you guys, it still look a little short, but I made it work. So you guys, at first I thought I kind of messed it up, but you guys, I'm gonna fix it. Just keep watching. Like, this is gonna be wearable. I was looking mad crazy. But right now I'm just, checking the length. Like I said, it does look a little bit short because honestly you guys have to bump it. So when you bump it, it actually is going to take away the length. So I would say, you guys see my face, like I would say to cut it like a good amount of like length longer than you actually want it. So yeah. I'm gonna be parting the bang area. I'm gonna part it so it could make it easier for me to actually so I can actually flat iron it. Honestly, guys, I really didn't want the bang to be that thick, but I am gonna show you guys how to fix that later on in the video. So keep watching. I wanted a more fringier bob, not bob, fringier bang, like not too thick and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys how I fix that, but right now all I'm doing is just flat ironing the bangs, doing it straight, and then at the ends just bumping it a little bit. Makes the perfect song. Make the perfect song, yeah. And a heartache make you sing along. Sing along, sing with me, yeah. I apologize when it was you that was wrong. And still you reject me. I reject me. And I knew that I shouldn't have called. And I knew better to text it off. All right, so it looked like it's already coming together. Honestly, I really didn't even want the bangs to even be that wide either, but whatever. But it's still coming together. Now, as you guys can see, I'm going to just comb everything out to see how everything looks when it's down. I'm going to continue playing with it, and the next thing that I'm about to do is take my razor comb. And you guys see I'm alternating between the flat iron and also the hot comb to flatten up the bob area. I can't help it. You could have nothing and I still want you, 'cause that don't change it. Nah, nah. And I knew that I shouldn't have called. All right, so now what I'm going to be showing you guys is the razor. You can honestly get this in any beauty supply store, Sally's, and it's just like a two-sided razor. As you guys can see, I am going to move the hair, some of the hairs on the top on the side, because you know that I'm going to go in with the razor and cutting some off, and I don't want the little tops to be like, I don't know how to explain it, like spiking up. So the fact that I'm gonna do it underneath it, I'll be able to just put the top that I section off on top of it, and it won't look like I've been just chopping at my bang, if that makes sense to you guys. But right now I'm just trying to see if I can layer up the sides, so everything could just slide, so everything can look blended together, if that makes sense. But I am going to be doing a lot of cutting in this video. So yeah, like I said, I wanted a more fringier bang. I didn't want it to be too full. So just continue watching. As I'm cutting up my bang, I'm gonna be telling you guys a little bit about the hair. This hair, like when I tell you guys, their lace is so nice. Like their lace is really nice to the point where it just melts into your skin. Also, the knots are very small. So honestly, I think it's bleach, but honestly, you can get away with not even bleaching it and just putting like a powdered foundation or a foundation underneath it, and it would still blend perfectly with your skin complexion and melt after you do your wig whatever. So like when I tell you guys, this hair is really nice. the first one that I did have was a little bit, it was like a little bit thin, but this one, I think this is 150. Yeah, either 150 or it can't be 125. So either 150 or 180 density. And I could tell because honestly, guys, it was that full. This one was a really full unit. Like I said, I have on this unit for about 2 weeks now. So yeah, I had it on for 2 weeks. It doesn't really shed. Honestly, guys, the first few weeks, well, the first few like days, like until like now, because I think this is about to make me like 2 weeks and a half. It's good, but as you guys can see, like later on, it kind of gets a little less like thick. I don't know if it's the hair coming out, but honestly, you guys, it all hair sheds, but this don't shed as much. It has like little strands here and there, but it honestly does not shed like that. So that's very good. But the hair just later on just looks a little more thin, on a thinner side. But that's easily fixable if you guys just want to, slap on like an extra track or two inside the hair to make it a little more full. And honestly, this is a good price for if you guys just want a nice wig for a low cost, because it was 18-inch and it was only $121, I believe. If anything, I'll just put everything in the description bar down below so you guys can check it out. Or yeah, just a fact check, just check in the description bar because all the information about this wig will be at the bottom. But overall, when I tell you guys, this company have amazing lace frontals. It's very amazing. So yeah.
You don't care, you know what makes this much worse. 'Cause I still care about you, and you make me feel like there's something that I shouldn't do. Hey, hey, like something that I shouldn't do. Hey, hey, like something that I shouldn't do. Hey, hey.
Yeah, sis is coming together. Like, you guys see this? Like, this is a complete transformation from the beginning. Like, I told you guys, I got this. My junk is gonna be wearable. I'll never, like, wear a wig. Honestly, if I did mess up, I honestly would have just took the whole wig off. But as you guys can see, like, the bang is a little more fringier now. And that's only because I just, that's because I took the razor and I just cut off some of the hair. Also, you guys seen me doing a method with the scissors where I was going upwards, and that's basically gonna give you the illusion where it's not like a blunt cut bang. Is gonna be more fringy looking, and that's the look that I was going for. But if you do want the blunt cut bob, why do I keep saying bob? A blunt cut bang, then you using the scissor upwards is not necessary. You could skip that part. And right here, all I'm doing is getting some of my wax stick. This is just a regular wax stick that I got from the beauty supply store. You can honestly just use any type of foaming to just lay all the hair down and let it dry out, and it'll give you the same results or whatever. So yeah, but overall, that's just how the hair looks like. And then, you guys, I really love this. I posted this on my Instagram and people did love it. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go do that. It'll also be in the description bar down below.
Broke ass nigga shouldn't feel broken by broke ass nigga. Fuck ass nigga is a fuck ass nigga. Shouldn't feel fucked up by fuck ass nigga. I can't help it. You could have nothing and I still want you, 'cause that don't change shit. Nah, nah. And I knew that I shouldn't have called. And I knew better to text it all. And now I feel like I ain't shit. I'm lucky I didn't have a kid. don't care. You know what makes this much worse. 'Cause I still care about you. And you make me feel like there's something that I shouldn't do. Ay, ay, like something that I shouldn't do. Ay, ay, like it's something that I shouldn't do. Ay, ay, like it's something that I shouldn't do. Ay, ay, like it's something that I shouldn't do. Ay, 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 like it's something that I shouldn't do. Like it's something that I shouldn't do. Someday when I leave this earth, somebody's gonna care, and you make me feel you won't hurt like you would in heaven. You know what makes this much worse is I still care about you, and you make me feel like there's something that I shouldn't do.
Right about now.
Heartbreaks make the perfect song. Make the perfect song, yeah. And a heartache make you sing along. Sing along, sing with me, yeah. I apologize when it was you that was wrong. And still you reject me. I reject me. And I knew that I shouldn't have called. And I knew better to text it off. I still did it, yes I did. And now I feel like I ain't shit. But you'll never get away with this. 'Cause someday when I leave this earth, somebody's gonna care.
Like I said, I love this company and their lace frontal units. If you guys do want to check them out, everything will be in the description bar down below. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and also, just tell me if you guys like this look. If you guys used this method before, leave it in the comments down below. Like, let me know if I did a okay job. I think I did an okay job, but
Help it.
I'll see you guys in the next one.